So in the comments of my videos on natural selection and evolution, there's been a little bit of confusion. So I've decided to do a little bit of clarification on some points. So first of all, some people seem to be getting natural selection and evolution mixed up. So natural selection is not the same thing as evolution. They're different processes. They're very closely related, but they're not the same thing. So what natural selection is, it's a non-random predictable process which selects for traits that will increase the fitness of an individual. So natural selection works on individuals, but it affects the entire population. So natural selection works upon variation in population and uses that variation to increase the fitness of the individuals. Evolution, however, is just the change in allele frequencies between generations. That's basically all it is. So it's just a change in the frequency of alleles that code for different phenotypes and genotypes. So let's say, for an example, there's a population. Half of the population is red, half of it is blue. Those are the different phenotypes that there are, coded for by allele frequencies. So natural selection in that population would be, for example, if there was a virus that came and only affected the things with blue alleles. And so things with blue alleles would be more affected by the virus, so there would be selection towards having red alleles. That's natural selection. The red is being selected for naturally. Same thing with sexual selection. So say everyone in the population thought that red alleles were super hot, and they only mated with things that had more red. So that is sexual selection for. However, if there was no selection for red or blue, then there is no evolution happening because there is no change in allele frequency with respect to that trait. So if there was no selection at all, natural or otherwise, for red versus blue, then there's no evolution happening with respect to those traits. However, there could be evolution happening with respect to other traits like height or, I don't know, some behavior thing. And I will state this again. There is no such thing as higher evolved because evolution does not have an end goal. Just because humans are smarter than ants, it doesn't mean we are more highly evolved, because that's not a thing. Because evolution is literally a change in allele frequencies. It's random. There's no higher goal or higher evolved.